Hello, hello, hello. Good morning. Welcome to my live video here. Excuse me. Jason Brown here from Portland, Oregon, hopping on this Wednesday. If you're catching me live here, please just give me a shout out. Let me know you're here. Appreciate anyone that's able to stop by. If it's later in the day and you're catching this on the replay, hit me with a hashtag replay so that I know you were here. I can give you a shout out and like to know who's here, and thank you for tuning in. So it is Wednesday, as I mentioned, and that means for a lot of us it's Webinar Wednesday, and so I want to be on here this morning and invite you to be my special guest for this webinar that we're having this evening, 7 o'clock Eastern Time, 6 Central, 4 Pacific. Each and every Wednesday we do this, and you can come on and as the description for this live mentions, over $325,000 paid out in commissions in just over 3 months. We are now up to over 1,100 members, and the train just keeps on rolling. We've picked up traction, and even through these slower weeks of back to school, early September, historically the slower weeks, we're still bringing in people. We're still bringing in commissions, and it continues on. So the outlook is that it's only going to get better. It's only going to continue to increase, and I highly encourage you to take a few minutes and hop on with us. Usually webinars go about 45 minutes. You'll hear directly from our owner of the platform and mentor. She'll share exactly what the program is, how it works. Good morning, Ann. Thanks for stopping by. And she'll exactly how it works, how you too can be successful with this, how so many are being finding success with this. And then towards the end, there's always some great testimonials that are normally really moving, just the effect that this program has had for people. And good morning, Stephanie. And the success that people are finding from this platform, and just can't wait to share with everyone. So be great if you could shoot me a message. If you, I'll drop the link to join us on the webinar this evening down in the comments after this video. Excuse me. However you want to go about getting on the video or on the webinar, please definitely do so. Join us, see what it's all about. Absolutely no reason not to. Just takes a little bit of your time to see what it is exactly that we do, how we do it, and again, how so many different people of all different walks of life, all different skill levels, all different stages in their process towards their online success are really finding this to be successful. And it's much more than earning an income. There's the training that we receive normally anywhere else, any other program that I've seen or been a part of, or even looked into, would cost so much more, and there's so much more value to what we're receiving. And I'm sure you've heard that before when people say that, but we actually have live training with a 7-figure mentor on a weekly basis, sometimes twice a week. And then those same trainings are always in your back office, recorded for you to go back and rewatch to continue to fine-tune your craft, continue to learn how to improve your online presence, continue to increase your engagement on your Facebook page, continue to just grow your skills and hone your craft, if you will. So excellent opportunity. Encourage you to click the link that I'll drop below in the comments to join us on the webinar. If you have any questions at all, definitely send me a quick message. Be happy to share with you my success, others' success. We have a robust Facebook group that I can add you to just to kind of have a look around as well. We do have a support chat where all day, every day, people are supporting each other, both here as well as on Telegram, to, again, continue that momentum, to support each other, to answer questions. We have success coaches. I can go on and on of all the value, but it's best that you drop by the webinar tonight and catch it all for yourself firsthand from, again, our 7-figure mentor. So that's what I have for this morning. Hopefully, I look forward to seeing you this evening or afternoon, wherever you are in the world. But again, if you have any questions, let me know. Hopefully, you got some value from this, and make sure I hear from you in the comments. So that's what I have for today. Happy Webinar Wednesday, and we'll see you tonight on the webinar. Thanks for dropping by. I'm Jason Brown, and I'm out. Peace.